Okay, good morning. My name is Ichan and I will be your examiner today. This is speaking test. Will take about 11 to 15 minutes. And this test has three parts. Could you please tell me your full name?
Okay, my full name is Danu Iza Pamungkas. You can call me Danu.
Okay. Could I see your identification?
Here is my ID card.
Okay, thank you. Now we are going to start part one. Now, in this first part, I'd like to ask you some questions about yourself.
Okay.
Where is your hometown?
Okay. I was born and grow up in Tangerang, to be honest, but my parents are from Central Java, Klaten. So I will consider that as my hometown.
Next question. What do you like much about your hometown?
What do you like much? My hometown, the Klaten city, is a rural area, so it is still not still a lot of natural not still a lot of natural still a lot of nature there, and it is opposed to metropolitan area.
Okay, I will change topic from now. The next question is: are you working or studying?
Currently, I'm working as a cloud engineer in Central Jakarta.
Okay, next. Why did you choose this field?
Uh, wait, my my university major is electrical and information technology. So I choose this field because it is aligned with my major, and it is something that I okay.
Okay. Next question. I will change the topic. What do you usually do in your free time?
Okay, that's an interesting question. Usually in my spare time, I in the evening after working hour. Usually I try to relax and wind down on my phone by scrolling and playing some video games. And in weekends, usually I just watch some movie and hanging out with my friends to play some sports.
Okay, next question. Do you prefer spending your free time alone or with others?
For me personally, it depends on how tired I am previously. For instance, after work, I prefer to be alone so that I can rest and relax to gain more energy for tomorrow. But in weekends, I prefer to be with my friends so that we can do some activity that cannot be done alone.
Okay, the last question. Have your hobbies changed since you were a child?
Um, my hobbies mostly stay the same. Mainly it is sports. So yeah, since I was a child, I play football, badminton, and I still playing that kind of sports until now. So I consider my hobby is not changed.
Okay, well, thank you. Now I'm going to give you a topic, and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, you have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say, and you can make some notes if you wish. So this is your paper and pencil, and this is a cue card.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so 1 minute from now.
Oke, timerin ya. Natural super.
Okay, time's up.
Ya.
Well, you have 2 minutes to talk about the topic.
Okay. Among all the natural place I would like to visit, I would like to talk about Lake Como in northern part of Italy. Lake Como located in northern part of Italy, and it is well known for its beautiful scenery and stadium that is on the lakeside. As for what I know about it, besides it is tourism, it's also known for it is cheese producing area in that region. And then in terms of what I would do there, I would like to watch a football match in Como Stadium, while also enjoy the seafood on the lake and other tourism place near that lake. Finally, the reason why I want to visit Lake Como is because of it combines a unique experience with of tourism and sports. You well you can watch sports match of Como Football Club. After that, you can enjoy the beautiful of the lake and yeah, getting around the city.
Okay, that's it for part 2, and then I will move on to part 3. First question: why do you think many people enjoy visiting natural places?
Okay. People tend to choose a natural place because most of them are tired of the hustle and bustle in the city, in the metropolitan area, and so yeah, they just try to escape from their habit and their work.
Do you think people today spend enough time in nature? Why or why not?
From my perspective, nowadays people not don't really have a chance to enjoy nature enough because of it is too far from the city center. Yeah, there is no green area in the metropolitan area, so they have to travel to countryside or another far city just to enjoy nature.
Okay. What are the benefits of spending time outdoors?
The benefits of sorry.
Benefits of spending time outdoors.
There are several benefits of spending time in outdoor. First and foremost, it gives you fresh air that you cannot feel in when working inside a building, and also you can secondly it is more
Okay. Okay, next question. How has technology changed the way people experience nature?
Okay, to the best of my knowledge, technology mostly affect how people approach how to do something, but in the case of nature, it is not really much change because for specifically for nature, mostly people want the original thing and not getting too much involved with technology.
Okay, last question. In your country, are young people interested in nature or do they prefer cities?
Oh, that's a tough question. To the best of my knowledge, young people prefer cities because it gives more opportunity to grow and to study. but in rural area, it seems to me that people there not seeing things as the way we see. So they may prefer nature and not really trying to get the best, trying to get the best of working place, or similar to that.
Okay, thank you. That is the end of the speaking test. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.